Are you looking to enhance your Twitter posts by editing photos before composing them on your PC? Let's walk through the simple steps to customize your images for your tweets. To get started, begin composing a tweet as you normally would. Once you're ready to add an image to your tweet, click on the image icon to attach a photo from your device. Upon selecting your desired image, you'll see a preview of the photo. To make edits to the image, locate and click on the Edit option, displayed on the photo preview. Next, customize your photo by adjusting elements such as brightness, contrast, filters, or cropping to suit your preferences and make your tweet visually appealing. After you've made the necessary edits, click on the Save button located in the upper right corner of the photo editing interface to apply the changes to your image. With the photo now edited to your liking, proceed to click on the Tweet button to finalize your tweet with the customized image included. By following these straightforward steps, you can elevate your Twitter posts by editing photos before composing them on your PC, enhance the visual appeal of your tweets, and engage your audience with captivating images tailored to your style. Elevate your Twitter presence by incorporating customized photos into your tweets effortlessly.